Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to find and watch Bitmoji TV on Snapchat. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it? So open your Snapchat app and tap on stories and tap on the search icon and type here Bitmoji TV and tap on search, and here you'll find Bitmoji TV. So all you have to need, just tap on that, and here you will get Bitmoji TV. And to watch any of them, simply tap on the episode which you want to play or watch. And after that you can subscribe the Bitmoji TV by tapping here. So that's how you can find and watch Bitmoji TV on Snapchat. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.